4 of our Taiwan tour. We're going to Taipei 101. Gusto ni Daddy chill lang today kasi sobrang bumigay yung kanyang niece kahapon sa Juven. Kaya pag may kasama kayong senior, pag-aralan yung mabuti kung kakayanin ba nila yung mga ganong klase ng tour.
Hindi ako senior.
Super ganda, pero ang daming akyatan ng hagdan, tsaka talagang walkathon. Kaya kung magta-travel kayo, dapat everyday mag 10K steps kayo para prepared ang inyong mga paa. Breakfast dito sa hotel namin, sa Via Breeze Hotel. Sulit na din. You get to eat croissant. And meron pang sesame bread, coffee, meron din silang noodles. Tapos may mga spreads pa like this. Gusto ko to, yung black sesame spread. And strawberry jam. Pwede rin for fuel to start the day.
Ito yung mga instant noodles na pinagkakain namin sa Taiwan. I want to document kasi nasarapan kami. Halos everyday kami nag-i-instant noodles. Favorite ko yung shrimp and beef.
Instant noodles again. May free kasi sa hotel every breakfast.
Yummy.
Yummy. I know this is bad for me pero dito lang sa Taiwan vacation.
Ito nga pala yung likuran ng Via Breeze Hotel. Nakalimutan ko isama sa video. May small garden, kaso karamihan ng nagsusmoke dito pumupunta. Kaya never kami nakatambay dito. This is Ate Gina, may Filipino staff na nag-work na sa hotel.
Lakaran talaga siya.
Talaga kaya makakalakas.
Papapalaban.
And today, naglalakad na naman kami papuntang MRT. Malapit lang, mga 2 minutes lang. Sobrang napagod kami dun sa tour kahapon, pero enjoy. Sulit siya. Nakapunta na kami ng Yelyu, Juven, Shifen Waterfall, tapos yung Shifen Lantern. Sobra, ang ganda. Ang dami namin nakita, ang dami namin kinain. My God! Good luck na lang. Pero sobrang sarap mag-food trip dito sa Taiwan. Parang cats nila!
Parang Silyamen lang na yan.
Look! They have lots of cats! Ang cute, ang taba-taba, oh. Oh, ayan na. Ayun na yung MRT station, di ba? Super convenient. Sobrang daming Pinoy dito. Pati yung mga nakasabay namin sa club tour kahapon, puro Pinoy din yung nasa bus. Tapos ang dami sa hotel namin, may mga employees, may mga staff doon na Pinoy din. Sobrang tuwan-tuwa sila pag nakakita sila ng kapwa Pinoy. Because we're in a new station. So stamp na naman sila na girl. Oh, can I see? Oh. Wow! Can I see?
Wow! Ang ganda.
Oh, Mr. Donuts din dito. Ah, ang cute ng Snoopy! Look! Ang cute ng Snoopy Donuts sila. This one! Okay, these guys want to try Mr. Donuts in Taiwan. Ooh, chocolate. What did you get? Chocolate pan de coco cookies.
Yogurt, ha?
Yogurt? Sige nga.
One bite?
Sour?
Sarap? Yeah, sarap.
Anong lasa?
It's a bit sour. It's sweet and a bit sour, but
Okay.
in a good way.
Because it's yogurt. Ikaw?
This is like the chocolate one.
Sarap yan. Pandi ko yan.
Miss Chocolate. Inquiring sa Visitor Information Center. Yan. Sabi kasi nung Pinoy na na-meet namin sa hotel, we should visit this booth para mas marami kaming makuha ang info what to visit here in Taiwan. This booklet, Goodies for Foodies, perfect for our family. Michelin Guide. And we're here na sa ibaba ng Taipei 101. Sabi ng kids ko, para daw siyang Mitsukoshi Mall vibe.
Saan yung ground?
To buy from Simple Cafe dito sa lobby. Order kami and the cafe is at the 88th floor.
Ano mas type? Tiramisu?
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu. 1,000?
Kailangan dito muna sa lobby mag-order kasi you need to present the receipt para makaakyat sa elevator going to 88th floor. The Taipei 101 Observatory is on the 89th floor o diba, one floor lang yung difference. Mas nakamura kami dito, may coffee and tiramisu pa. The takeaway option dito sa Simple Cafe is 250 NT per person yung minimum. This used to be the fastest elevator in the world. Hindi naman siya scary, may mafe-feel ka lang sa tenga mo.
How does it feel to ride a fast elevator?
Kind of weird.
Ang bilis lang namin nakaakyat to think na this is the 88th floor. This is the entrance to the small viewing deck. Yes, nakatayo dito and small lang yung viewing area pero sulit na.
I really like this view. Ang ganda. I can see the Maokong Gondola from here.
Look, it's the Tokyo Dome. O diba, ang ganda na rin ng view na makikita mo dito. Satisfied na kami.
Yeah, we're here at Simple Cafe sa 88th floor ng Taipei 101. It also has a view. Look, may minimum order lang. It's so nice. Mine is cappuccino.
The kids ordered chocolate drink. Kami ni Daddy nag-iced coffee kami. Then we also ordered tiramisu. They serve high-quality coffee. Nasarapan din kami doon sa tiramisu nila. For me, this is the more cost-effective way to experience the Taipei 101 views compared to paying the full observatory admission price. May drinks pa kaming lahat, kaya happy family na
I'm
naman.
gonna taste this tiramisu.
Eat slowly.
I love tiramisu.
We spent around 40 minutes here, enjoying the view, taking photos, and enjoying our cake and coffee. They have a bigger area with seats, but the minimum charge requirement is higher, of course, depending on the seating type. We've been to other observatories in other countries, and pare-parehas lang naman yung experience for us. This one is different na enjoy namin. After that, punta kami sa mall sa baba. Sa labas at sa baba pala ng Taipei 101, puro malls. Itong napuntahan namin is puro luxury brands yung tindahan.
Kami dito sa Taipei 101 Mall. Yeah, it's a very social mall. Lots of high-end brands. There's an Apple store. Look, Rolex.
Ang peaceful naman dito sa mall na to, ang konti ng tao, maybe because it was a weekday when we visited. Naka-relax pa kami dito for about 10 minutes before we decided to look for somewhere to eat lunch.
There's YSL, Rado, Cartier, look.
Wow.
Ito guys, parang BGC. This is Sinyi District. Naghahanap kami kanina ng place kung saan kami magla-lunch and we decided na mag-lunch na finally sa Ichiran. Sobrang tagal na namin last nakatry ng Ichiran nung Japan pa. That was 2019, before pandemic pa nung nag-Japan kami. Kaya naisip namin perfect timing na to para matikman ulit yung Ichiran. Parang kabit-kabit din yung malls dito. Walking here sa Zinni District, right, Dad?
Yes.
Ganda dito, parang BGC. Puro high-end din. Hindi naman ako pumunta dito para mag-shopping. Pumunta kami dito sa Taiwan para kumain! There's a view of Taipei 101 from here. So, kapag umulan dito sa Taipei, ang maganda palang isingit sa itinerary, yung mga malapit dito sa mall. Pwede kayo mag-Taipei 101, museum, tapos malling, hanap ng masarap na kainan. Mali kami ng turn, hindi yata ito yung mall kung saan merong Ichiran. So, nag-CR na naman sila. Ano bang magagandang apps na dapat nyong i-download before you travel? Marami nagsasabi sa amin, karamihan daw dito, yung mga locals dito marunong na mag-English. Pero sa experience namin, marami pa rin hindi. Well, they know the basic, pero yung conversational, marami pa rin hindi. Makaka-encounter pa rin kayo. So, better to download Google Translate, Google Lens, di ba? Before you travel. It's very helpful. Gamit na gamit namin yun. Google Maps. Gamit na gamit namin. Wala na kaming ibang maps na ginamit or apps. Google Maps lang sapat na. It will help you go around Taiwan. Train system nila sobrang ganda. Hindi siya sobrang nakakalito like Japan. Madali nyo makakabisado. Hindi naman once lang kami naligaw, nagkamala kami ng sinakyan. Well, that's because nakalimutan namin basahin ng mabuti. Pero nung nangyari yun, never na ulit kami naligaw. Chiran sign over there. Yan. Sa baba niya, overpass na yan. Yan. There's Ichiran! You see that? Nakalagay, basement 1. There's a line. Number, mga around 30 minutes waiting time daw. It's fine. Yeah, gumagalaw naman, oh. Are you excited to eat ramen?
Yes.
Mga 30 minutes waiting time daw. It's okay. Sanay naman kami pumila, di ba?
Richness.
Richness? How rich do you want your soup?
Light.
Light?
Garlic.
Garlic. Sarap yan.
I like garlic.
Kahit drop? Okay, sige. Green onions. Good. Trying out Ichiran. Ganyan na. Ganyan, iba-ibang counters. Tabi kami nila na Lana. Smile! Got the egg. Oh, 谢谢.
不好意思，你久等了，小心。
Yan na lang. Have your own. Thank you. Ano? Eat it. Mana? Parang pa rin. For me, medyo similar sila ng lasa ng ramenagi. Gusto ko siya kasi hindi masyadong thick. Tapos makakustomize mo yung richness. Ang sarap ng broth. And the spice, pwede mo makakustomize lahat. Chasu. Ang lambot.
You'll pay at the counter before mag-exit.
Ramen experience, Lana.
So good.
Yummy, no? Alam nyo, kahit mahal, unang higop mo pa lang ng sabaw, ang sarap na. It hits the spot. Diba? Pero actually, marami pang ibang mas masarap na ramen. Pero, sarap din ng Ichiran. Sobra. We enjoyed it. Ano nyo, ang ganda ng sink nila dito. It's automatic. Oh, look. Nice. This one. Oh, may dryer na. Ito, ang cute, ah. It looks like a real cat.
But it's bad. See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
May gumagamit ng ganyan sa school niya.
Yun yung mga nakita nating cats kanina.
This one, super cute.
Yun yung...
Checking out Jellycats in Taiwan. Which one is the cutest? The bear. I like the bear with the crochet.
What about the flower?
Where? Ah, cute din yung may flower. Show it. Show how it becomes a backpack. Can you check? Oh, cute. How much space does it have inside? Again?
Little lang.
A little lang. And friends. Oh, Jellycat London pala yan. Oh, so cute.
This one. Why do you want this?
Hindi naman. I think that's the cheapest. This one, the bear is also cute.
Yeah. It's the last
Capybara.
What is
Capybara,
Gordon?
capybara, capybara. Yes, 2,000 means in peso almost 4,000.
4,000.
Look at, there's a pop mic here. This is the social district. There's Hermes. There's Chanel.
Channel.
There's a big stage. On Taipei 101 there. We decided to take a bus going to Rauhe Market. Sabi kasi sa Google Maps, mas maiksi daw yung lalakarin. When riding a bus in Taiwan, kailangan mo pumara. Iba-iba kasi ng ruta yung mga bus na dumadaan, kaya if hindi ka pumara, hindi sila magsa-stop for you. Remember, you have to tap your EC card in and out. Going to Rauhe Market. Rauhe Market. Nga pala kami nag-bus kasi mas less walk to compared kung magka-train kami. Para ma-experience din namin yung bus ride. That's Rauhe Market. Hope you enjoyed this video kahit mahaba. Click the subscribe button for more food and travel videos. Bye!